It wasn't just wood on his back. It was the weight of every broken heart, every betrayal, every sin whispered in secret. It was the shame we try to bury, the wounds we don't talk about, the loneliness we carry behind our smiles. He took it all, willingly, silently, lovingly. This is the image of a love that didn't wait for perfection, a love that met us in our mess, in our weakness, in our rebellion, and didn't flinch. He walked that road knowing full well what it would cost him, and he never turned back. This was no ordinary sacrifice. This was the sacrifice that satisfied the justice of heaven and the longing of every human heart. We live in a world that often demands more than we can give, but Jesus gave more than we could ever repay. And he didn't do it to shame us, he did it to free us, to lift the unbearable from our shoulders and place it on his. That's the kind of love that changes everything. That's the kind of love that doesn't just save us, it holds us, restores us, and calls us beloved. So when life feels heavy, when grace feels far, when hope feels dim, remember this: someone already carried the weight, and he did it all for you.